Ever wondered that you could talk to your ESP32 and it would just do stuff that you say? Well, so say hello to your ESP-Claw, the agent that turns your ESP32-S3 into a robot that actually listens to your words. And today we are turning this ESP32-S3 AI camera by DFRobot into a chat-controlled camera capture, audio or the speaker, and also the web search machine using our Telegram and also the ESP-Claw. So you don't have to do any kind of coding, you just have to type the prompt in your Telegram or any messaging app you use for this ESP-Claw. So let's dive into the tutorial and flash the ESP-Claw in this ESP32-S3 AI camera. So the first step is obviously flashing the ESP-Claw in our ESP32-S3 or any board you're using. So let's start with this website, the ESP-Claw.com/n. So let's flash this. Go to the flash online, select it, and here is the flash firmware. You just need to connect this with the USB to your board. You just connect. So after connecting your board, you will just need to press this, just connect, and here you will see the serial ports. So here the JTAG or the serial debug is your COM port, or you can check which one is COM port for yours. Mine is COM port 7. So let's just connect it. Connected, and it just got the chip info, that ESP32-S3, and for me this is the DFRobot one, and then just select the board, and this is the DFRobot AI camera, and obviously I'm using the serial JTAG. And for the configuration retention, just erase everything you have in the board and just reset the settings, and then just flash the firmware and just boom, you can see the flash is complete. Just you have to reconnect the serial, just press this and again connect with the COM port of your board. You just connect this and let the flashing totally complete. So now you just have to connect your Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password, and this is the configuration tab for your ESP-Claw firmware. So just go to there. Here you can see the LLM configuration, the IM by instant messaging configuration, web search, and just finish. So for this I'm using the Open API. You have to buy the API and just go to the ChatGPT API website. So just go to this API website, and here in the login in the API platform, you just log in, and here I have already logged in, and you have to just put some credits here, around $5 or $10. The credit balance is shown here, and then you just get yourself an API key. So create a new secret API key. You don't have to just put the name here, just create the API key and copy the API key and paste here in the ESP-Claw, the API key pasted. And for the model, I'm just going to use the ChatGPT 5.4 mini because this is budget friendly. Save and continue. And instant messaging, for this I'm choosing the Telegram. So I'm selecting the Telegram and I have to give the bot token. So let me just go to the Telegram web. So here you have to just create a bot using the bot father. So just search the bot father, and this is the bot. See the user's number, and this is the bot. So generate a bot. Like first you just write new bot, create a new bot, and it just asks you to give a bot name. So let me give the bot name, and good, you just have to give the username. So let me copy this. Okay, nice. This is the bot, and this is the API key for this bot. You just have to copy this and paste in the bot token and save this. And lastly, you have to configure the web search. For web search, this ESP-Claw is using the Tavily. So just go to the Tavily's website and grab yourself an API key, and it is free for 1000 tokens. And here you just create an account, and you have a monthly plan. You have just 1000 tokens per month for free. Just grab the API key here, create yourself an API key and just grab it. I'm just using my one that was created and copying it. So again, paste it here and just save and finish. So every configuration is done, and just restart now. So the page is restarting and your device is also refreshing this thing. So finally, this is the page where you can see all the setups of your ESP-Claw, and also in the Telegram. So you can use obviously the Telegram mobile. I'm just using the Telegram web app. So here, this is the messaging page you created, the Roborear ESP-Claw or anything just you named it. So here you can see that it's writing ESP-Claw is snapping on it, meaning the configuration was confirmed and everything is working. So first of all, let's start with something with the search. The Tavily API we have, we just have to just search anything. So let's start with the search. What is Roborear? You can search anything. So let's see what just it gives us. So ESP-Claw is snapping on it. So it's just searching, and the web search, the query is Roborear. So here you can see the Roborear appears to be a dye, robotics and electronics brand or channel focused on beginners friendly ESP32. This is the website, and this is obviously Instagram. So let's just search anything with the real-time data. What's the price of the gold? So it's just searching on online. So here you can see the gold price value is around $4,134. So obviously this is not only an assistant, it's an agent, so it can do anything the board is capable of. There is an onboard LED on GPIO pin number 3, so it's currently not active. So I can turn this onboard LED on. So let's just write turn the onboard LED on in GPIO pin 03. So you'll see that the LED will just lit up after the work is done or the code is written. So let's just see. And you just saw that the LED just turned on, and you didn't have to write anything for this, and you can definitely just turn the LED off. And let's see what happens, and it will just turn the LED off, and the LED turned off. And obviously you can see there is a camera. This is OV3660 3 megapixel camera. So I will tell this ESP-Claw just to capture an image with this camera. So let's just tell this, hey, this board has a camera, capture an image with it. So let's see if it can capture an image or not. So I'm placing in front of me, so it captures an image. Let's see. It's running the Lua script for it so that it can capture the image. The Lua script just timed out for 10,000 milliseconds, but it just wanted a longer timeout, or so I just will tell it to have a longer timeout. Retry with a longer timeout. The image capture takes a long time, so let's see what happens. More than 10 seconds, I guess. Okay, it just successfully captured an image named capture JPG. Send me the captured image in this inbox. So it's just sending me the image. Let's see what happens. So here you can see the image. Obviously I just place it like this, so it just captured the image and it just sent me in this chat. So definitely you can do a lot of things using this ESP32-S3 board and the ESP-Claw using the instant messaging. So here's the thing, I am using the DF Robot ESP32-S3 AI camera, and this doesn't have any GPIO pins. So you just buy the ESP32-S3 by Espressif that has around 38 GPIO pins or more. So, and obviously you can find a lot of skills here, like ESP-Claw skills. So this is the skill lab for ESP-Claw. A lot of skills you just can download. Here you can see the balance ball, the camera preview. Just make this English, and you can find a lot of skills you just download in ESP-Claw and flash in your board. For ESP32-S3 AI camera, there is no compatible skill for this board, but obviously the Espressif board has a lot of skills compatible. You just download any one from here. Like the Unihiker is for the DF Robot Unihiker Ketan board, so you can definitely download from this skill lab. So I think you had fun learning this ESP-Claw from this video. It's just like the OpenClaw, the mini version of OpenClaw, the ESP-Claw. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned with Roborear, subscribe to Roborear, and thank you very much.